Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Back to Basics. Back to Basics is a training platform that was put together by Daoud Islam, Manoj Kumar, and Walter Creamers. Yeah, so this men put together this platform to help teach new affiliates how to make money online without having to create a website or email list, or as well as making review videos. Yes, this is what these men are saying today about this product, that with this platform that you get to learn how you can earn your money online as an affiliate without having to create any website. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I go into details, whilst also giving you a demo of how this product works. Yeah, so don't forget to click on the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, and click the like, share, subscribe button as well. And as usual guys, I have also put together some bonuses that will help you guys if you purchase this product through my link that is in the description box below. So like I said, these are the bonuses that I have added, guys. Since you're gonna get a teaching package, more like a platform that teaches you how to make money, I as well added some bonuses also that will help you guys as affiliates to make money faster. All right, so let me take you guys to the sales page. So this is the sales page of Back to Basics. So this is Daoud Islam, and he is saying that I'm gonna read: internet marketing got you confused, it's time to go back to basics. So here are the features of this product. So it says easy to follow steps to make money online, no tech skills needed whatsoever, no websites or leads needed, suitable for complete beginners, and even if you have never done before, full video training provided, and so much more. Okay, so these are the three men that put this product together. So this is Daud right here, this is Manoj Kumar, and this is Walter Creamers. And right guys, I'm gonna take you, I've shown you the features of this product. Let me take you guys quickly to the bonuses that he has added. And right here, as you can see, this is the screenshot from what they have made using this tutorial right here. So, and this is what he says you get using this teaching model. So you have access to full training on how to get started earning money online, more like all that I've mentioned earlier, and all the methods work perfectly in 2021. And these are the bonuses, like I mentioned, that he has added. He added 5 bonuses today. So the first bonus that he has added is a discount on Academy membership. Then the second bonus is the exclusive Facebook group. The third bonus is massive product bundle. And then the fourth bonus is the 20 times reseller rights. And then the fifth one rather, is called the dedicated customer support. So you have access to the support system 24/7. And also guys, you have 30-day money back guarantee. And speaking of bonuses, let me take you guys to my own bonuses, guys. So the first one that I shall be sharing with you guys today is the 10K case study. This pretty much will teach you, since you're already getting a PLR product that teaches you stuff as an affiliate marketer, I as well added some more tutorials to help boost what you're already getting. So this is going to teach you, is more like a guideline on email marketing. And then the second one that I'm adding today is the Friego multiplier. So with this, it will help you to build your list. And then of course you have access to the third one, you have access to the boomerang body. And then the fourth one, you have access to 0 hour money, so 0 hour work day. So pretty much this will help you earn commission whilst you do other stuff. And then the fifth one, of course, you have access to all the vendor bonuses. So guys, the clock is ticking. If you purchase through my link that is in the description box below, guys, you'll have access to all these 10 bonuses that I've mentioned. Yes. And if you sign in through Warrior Plus, just click on the blue button where it says access affiliate bonus. All my bonuses shall automatically be added. If it is through JVZoo, click on the red where the red arrow is pointed at the box right there, and then my bonuses shall automatically be added. Remember, guys, you have 4 days and the clock is ticking. Once this timer expires, I'm not promising that you have access to all the bonuses that I've mentioned, but if you're purchasing within this time frame, yes, all the 10 bonuses shall automatically be added. Yes. Now I have shown you the bonuses. Let me take you guys to the prices and the upsells. So about the front end is $9.95. So with just less than $10, you have access to 10 bonuses, and then you have access to the software and the training modules. Then if you upgrade to upsell 1, which is the pro version, it is $37. So basically you have the advanced basic techniques, including how to make videos without putting yourself on camera. And then the upsell 2, which is the executive club, is $37. So you put yourself ahead of the affiliate marketing game, and then you get notified at least a week before the launch of all new releases by Dawood. And then the upsell 3, which is the reseller right, $37. So basically you get to sell the product as if it were your own, so make the commissions all through the funnels for yourself. And then the upsell 4, which is the done for you weekly campaigns, is $97. So you get sent 3 times done for you campaigns each and every week. And then the upsell 5, the upsell 5 means you become a beta tester for the Elite Academy, and it is worth $997. So guys, I have shown you pretty much everything. In a minute, I'm going to take you guys to the members area so you see how it looks like. But remember, for you to have access to all these bonuses that I've mentioned, you need to click on the link that is in the description box below, and then it will bring you to my bonus page. You have access to 5 of my bonuses and then 5 from Dawood's. All right, guys, let's see the members area, how it looks like. So once you log in, this is the members area right here. So from here you can log in and out. You can upgrade, get the pro version. This is the support, and then also for the elite. And then guys, this on the left hand side you see the options like welcome overview, the main training section. If you click on it, these are all the stuff you will get. And then the resources will be brown bear against free squeeze pages and all that, and then bonus pages. Of course, you get the conclusion. So right here you also have access to back to basis bonuses, and then upgrades. From here you can also upgrade to the pro version, the executive club, the reseller rights, and then the done for you campaigns and all of that. So let's quickly take a listen to what Dawood has to say, guys.
Thanks for picking up a copy of Back to Basics. On behalf of myself, Manoj Kumar and Walter Creamers, we congratulate you on your purchase. In just a minute, we'll go through all of the training and how to get set up and started with this system, but first of all, just a few housekeeping points. So underneath my video you'll see the welcome videos from Manoj and from Walter, so do please watch those. Under this video you'll see a link to join the Elite Tigers Group YouTube channel. Now you should do that because there are often additional extra trainings that are added on that channel. And so you should click on the button to subscribe, but also click on the bell icon. So that you get notified whenever a new recording is made, because other than doing that, you won't actually find out when new videos are added. And then underneath that, you'll find access to the Elite Tigers Group exclusive Facebook group, and this is for only for people that have made purchases from the Elite Tigers group. So again, you'll find a very supportive community in there with, again, regular trainings from myself, so do take advantage of joining us inside that group. And then, of course, as I said, do watch the videos from the other team members. So it's great to have you here. Once you've done all that, you can move on to the overview of Back to Basics and then work your way through the menu. So once again, thanks for picking up a copy. We're delighted to have you here.
All right, guys, you've heard from one of the men that puts together this product. This is Daud right here, Islam, and he has, given an overview, a welcome of for members, those that will sign up. Remember that I have access to this members area because I'm doing a review of this product. So once you purchase this product, most of the things that I will not have access to, you definitely will have access to them. But that also depends on which package you are getting. Right, guys, that is it from me. I have shown you the features of the product. I have shown you the bonuses. I have shown you screenshots from Warrior Plus, what they've made using this product. And guys, that is it from me to you. And also remember that for you to have access to the bonuses that I've mentioned, all you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you to my sales page, and from there you have access to 10 bonuses. That is provided that you're purchasing within this time frame. Yes, I'm assuring you that you have access to all the bonuses. And right, guys, thanks so much for sticking with me, for watching my videos, for sharing, for liking, for leaving comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. You stay safe. Bye.